x plus y is equal to 14 and xy is equal to 14. How do we solve this? First thing we do in this equation is to make x or y the subject of formula, but since I'm going to make y subject of formula, so y is equal to 14 divided by x. Now substitute y here as 14 divided by x. So I have that x is x now plus 14 divided by x will be equal to 14. Now multiply each term by x. So I have x times this to be x squared plus x times this would give me 14 to be equal to x times 14 to give me 14x. Now rearranging this, I have x squared minus 14x plus 14 is equal to 0. Okay, now I can use the almighty formula to solve this. What does the quadratic formula state? Okay, the almighty formula or the quadratic formula states that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, where a is equal to, from here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 14, and c is equal to 14. Okay, now x from here will be equal to negative times negative 14 is what? Positive 14 plus or minus square root of negative 14 squared 196 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 14 is 56 all over 2 times a is 2 times 1, which is 2, and this is equal to 14 plus or minus 196 minus 156 is equal to 140 all over 2. Okay, now x is equal to plus or minus, now square root of 140 can be rewritten as square root of 4 times square root of 35 all over 2. Now this is equal to, now 14 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 times root 35 all over 2, and this is equal to x. Our x becomes equal to, factoring out 2, we have 2 multiplied by 7 plus or minus root 35 all over 2. 2 strikes 2, so that x becomes equal to 7 plus root 35 or 7 minus root 35. Now, but recall, I can see here, recall y to be equal to 14 over x. Now, we have that y from here, when x is equal to, taking 7 plus root 35 for example, so when x is 7 plus root 35, we have 14 divide 7 plus root 35. Now there's a solid in the denominator, so we have to rationalize, so we multiply out this by the conjugate, okay, which is this, and this by the conjugate, which is this. Okay, now y now becomes equal to into 7 minus root 35 over, now 7 squared is 49 minus root 35 squared is 35. Okay, this is equal to 14 into 7 minus root 35 all over 49 minus 35 is 14. 14 strikes 14, so that I have that y is equal to 7 minus root 35. And you can already guess that when x is 7 plus root 35, y is 7 minus root 35. Hence, when x is 7 minus root 35, y becomes equal to 7 plus root 35.